Evaluation of algebraic expressions. Panoorin ang video ito at ituturo ko sa iyo. Okay, this is our topic, evaluation of algebraic expressions. To evaluate an algebraic expression is to find its numerical value by substituting a given set of numbers in place of letters or variables. Okay, so I will give you an example. Number 1, evaluate 3x minus 2y plus 5 when x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. Okay, so paano siya i-evaluate? We have to by substituting a given set of numbers in place. Ibig sabihin, itong in place of letters or variables, itong si x, papalitan natin yan kung ano yung value niya. So, alisin natin si x, papalitan natin ng value ng x na 2. So, out x, in 2. Yun ang substitution. And y equals 4. Si y, alisin natin yan, papalitan natin ng 4. Okay? So, kopyahin natin si 3. Then yung x, yung sabi natin kanina, alisin natin si x, palitan natin yung value ng x na 2. Ayan. Then, kopyahin natin si minus 2. Then yung y naman, yung value ng y is 4. Okay, yan. Then, kopyahin na natin si 5. Wala siyang variable eh. So, 3 times 2 is 6. Kuha. Kopyahin natin si negative or negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. Kopyahin natin si plus 5. Okay. So, 6 minus 8 is negative 2. Bakit sa negative 2? Mas malaki yung 8 compare natin sa 6, di ba? So, ano yung sign ng 8? Yun ang kopyahin natin. We have to copy the sign of the bigger number. Okay? So, negative 2 then plus 5. Naku! Kopyahin natin si plus 5. So, negative 2 plus 5, that is equal to positive 3. Okay, this is your final answer. Wala na naman akong 8. Sana may mag-sponsor. Okay, this is your final answer sa ating example number 1. Okay, let's proceed to another example. Okay, let's proceed to example number 2. Evaluate 4 times the quantity of a minus 3 plus 3 times the quantity of a minus plus 2 when a is equal to 5. So again, we have to substitute the value of a. Itong si a, alisin natin yan, papalitan natin ng value na a na 5. Okay? So una, kopyahin muna natin si 4. Tapos yung a, alisin natin yan, papalitan natin ng 5. Okay? So 5 minus 3. Si plus, kopyahin natin yan. Kopyahin natin si 3. Then si a, alisin natin to. Papalitan natin ng 5. Kasi a is equal to 5. Ayan. Plus 2. So, ngayon, huwag mo muna natin i-multiply yan. Kunin muna natin yung difference nito. So, 4 times 5 minus 3 is 2. Plus, kopyahin muna natin si 3. 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay. So, 4 plus plus noon. 4 times 2 is 8. Kopyahin natin si plus sign. 3 times 7 is 21. So, 21 plus 8 is 29. So, this is your final answer sa ating example number 2. Number 3 example. The quantity of 5y divided by 3 plus 2 times y times the quantity of y minus 6. Okay? So, the value of y is 9. So, una, lagyan muna natin ng bracket yan. Oh. Tapos, 5. Ang value ng y is 9, di ba? Divided by 3. Okay. Dito sa kabila, plus sign, kopyahin natin yan. 2 times the value of y na 9. 9 minus 6. Okay. Ngayon, 5 times 9 is 48. Okay? Divided by 3. Okay, pwede nang walang quantity yan. Plus, 2 times 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay, ngayon, 45 divided by 3 is 15. Okay, plus 2 times 3 is 6. So, itotal natin yan lahat. 15 plus 6 is 21. So, this is your final answer sa ating example number 3. Let's proceed to another example. Okay, number 4. Evaluate 2a times 4 times x squared divided by 3y. When a is equal to 1, x is equal to negative 3, and y is equal to positive 3. Okay, all we have to do is to substitute the value of a, x, and y sa ating given. Okay? So, una, kopyahin muna natin yan si 2. Tapos, ang value ng a is 1. Alisin natin si a, papalitan natin ng 1. Okay? Ayan. Then, 4, kopyahin natin yan. Then, si x. Ayan, dyan na naman si x. Papalitan natin si x. Alisin natin si new. Out x. Palitan natin si negative 3. Ayan, si negative 3 squared. Ayan. So, divided by 3. Tapos yung value ng y. Ito talaga si x ha. Value ng y is positive 3. Ayan. Ano talaga akong A. Sana may mag-sponsor. Paita. Equals. Okay, multiply natin si 2 sa kay 1. So that is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay? Then, kupihan muna natin si 4. Ito ngayon. Si negative 3 squared. So, paano siya gagawin yan? Ang negative 3 squared, multiply natin yan si negative 3. Okay? By itself. Multiply by itself. So, negative 3 times negative 3, that is positive 9. Wala na talaga. Okay, that is positive 9. Lagay natin dito, positive 9. Wala nang squared, ha? Kasi ginamit na natin si squared dito. Negative 3 times negative 3. Okay? So, divided by 3 times 3, 9. Nasundan? Okay, next. Kupihan natin yan, si 2. Tapos, 4 times 9 is 36. Divided by 9. So, 2 times 36, that is 72. Divided by 9. 72 divided by 9, that is 8. So, this is your final answer sa ating example number 4. Okay? Madali lang, di ba? Saan dyan si x? Madali lang. Kalimutan na natin yan si x. Okay? Move na tayo kay x. Number 5. Pwede pala ito sa taas. 3c minus 5z squared. Okay? When, yung squared dito si z lang ha. When c is 3 and z is negative 1. So, kopyahin natin si 3. Then, i-substitute natin yung value ng c, which is 3 or positive 3. Then, kopyahin natin si minus sign. Kopyahin natin si 5. Then, si z is negative 1. Meron pang squared. Okay? Equals, pwede ba sa baba? Pwede pa sa baba. Okay? 3 times 3, 9. Kopyahin natin si negative 5. Kopyahin muna natin si negative 5. Kasi minus yan minus. Tapos kopyahin natin si 5. Dito na naman tayo. Negative 1 times negative 1. Kasi merong squared. Multiplied by itself. Diba? Negative 1, multiply din natin kay negative 1. So the result is positive 1. Diba? Kapag mag-multiply tayo ng the same sign, the result is positive. Diba? Basta the same sign. The same sign, positive. Pero kung hindi pareho, negative times positive, that is negative. Kahit baliktarin natin yan, positive times negative, ano ba? Equals negative. Okay? So, negative 1 times negative 1, that is positive 1. Nakuha? Positive 1. Equals, kopyahin muna natin si 9, then negative 5 times 1, that is negative 5. Then 9 minus 5, that is equal to 4, positive 4. So this is your final answer sa ating example number 5. Proceed to number 6 example. 6 divided by A times B times C, where A equals 1, B is equal to, and C is equal to 3. Okay? So una, kopyahin lang natin yan si 6. Tapos yung A is 1. Alisin natin si A, papalitan natin ng 1. Okay? Si B, alisin natin yan, papalitan natin ng 2. Okay? Then C, papalitan natin ng 3. Okay? Ngayon, kopyahin natin si 6, i-multiply natin yan. 1 times 2, 2 times 3, 6. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. So this is your final answer sa ating example number 6. Number 7, our last example. 8 times A times B, or 8AB plus 3BC minus 12. So kopyahin natin si 8. Then the value of A, pala natapos, A is 1, B is negative 1, and C is positive 2. So, kopyahin natin si 8, then yung A, alisin natin yan, papalitan natin ng 1. Okay, then si B, alisin natin si B, papalitan natin ng value niya na negative 1. Then, kopyahin natin yung plus sign, kopyahin natin si 3, si B is negative 1. Okay? Si C, palitan natin yan ng positive 2. Kasi C is equal to 2. Then, kopyahin natin si minus 12. Ngayon, i-simplify na natin yan. So, kopyahin natin si 8. Positive 1 times negative 1, that is negative 1. Diba? Kapag mag-multiply tayo ng unlike sign, the result is negative. Pag hindi pareho ang sign. Plus 3. Then, negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. Kopyahin natin si minus 12. Yan. So, 8 times negative 1, that is negative 8. Hindi pareho, di ba? Kapag hindi pareho ang kanilang sign, the result is negative. Okay? Pag pareho naman, sinabi ko na yung 2 kanina, that is positive. So, next is positive 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Kopyahin natin si negative 12. Ayan, negative lahat. Ngayon, i-add na natin yan. So, paano yan i-add? The same sign lahat. So, kapag the same yung kanilang sign, you have to copy their common sign and we have to add the absolute value. So, i-add natin yan lahat. So, 8 times negative 8 plus negative 6 plus negative 12. The result is negative. Kasi, meron silang common sign. Kopyahin natin yung common sign nila. Then, 26. I-add natin yan lahat. Okay, so this is your final answer, negative 26 sa ating example number 7. At maraming salamat sa panonood. At kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa channel ko, please subscribe para updated ka sa lahat ng mga videos na i-upload ko. See you to my next videos. Bye-bye!